Hello, what is up guys? Eman from Peso Smart Page here. Welcome sa panibagong episode. Shoutout din sa mga podcast listeners natin. I appreciate you all. So, September na, no? So, ngayon bibigay ko sa inyo yung mga dividend paying stocks this September. And bago ang lahat, isang disclaimer lang. So, itong video ito is ginawa lang for your informational or educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, so I cannot give you any financial advice. Make sure that you do your own research before buying any kind of asset. With that said, bago tayo mag-start, smash nyo yung like button for the YouTube algorithm. And isa pang pahabol, no, birthday nga pala ngayon ni Warren Buffett. Well, bukas pa sa kanila kasi 29 pa lang sa kanila doon. But ngayon, 30 na sa atin. So yeah, happy 91st birthday kay Warren Buffett. Kundi dahil sa kanya, kundi dahil sa taong to, sa mga principles, sa tinuro niya, I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't be who I am today. So I'm really grateful to this man and I hope na makabot siya sa 100, no? 1 century. Let's go for it. Right, first one sa ating list is preferred stock ng Cirtek Holdings Philippines Corporation. Actually, puro preferred stocks itong magbibigay ng dividends or may mga X dates this September. So, isa lang, as far as I know, yung common stock, yung BDO lang later on. But yeah, TCB2B yung kanilang stock code. So, ano to, no? Itong stock na ito is in US dollars trade and pati yung binibigay ng dividends is in US dollars. So, yung sector niya is industrial, mainly in electrical components and equipment. Then yung dividend payment niya is 0.015 US dollars. So, 1 cent. Parang 1.5 cent yan. Ex-date niyan is September 1 and then record date on September 6, payment date on September 20. Current market price itong stock na ito is $1 per share. Pero ingat lang kayo, no? Kasi last traded itong stock na ito is back in April 23 pa. So this might have been already redeemed. Pero nagbibigay pa rin sila ng dividends. So, and wala naman ako nakita na niredeem na itong preferred stock na ito. But yeah, syempre ingat lang tayo kasi hindi na siya ganun ka-liquid. Kasi sobrang tagal na niyang na-trade. Yung dividend yield niyan is hindi rin naman ganun kaganda, 1.5% lang. Next one is another preferred stock. Ngayon naman galing sa Arthaland Corporation. Yung stock code niya is ALCPC. Sector nito is property. Dividend payment is 1.7 pesos per share. Ex-date on September 2. Record date on September 7. And payment date on September 27. Current market price is 109 pesos per share. This will give you a dividend yield of 1.59% quarterly and then 6.36% annually. So, not really that bad. And way above sa 5% na parang threshold natin or sweet spot sa mga dividend-paying stocks. Siyempre, ang downside lang palagi ng mga preferred stocks is hindi siya masyado tumataas in value, no? So, hindi mo masyado aasahan yung capital gain appreciation. So, andito ka lang talaga para kunin, no, yung consistent na dividends every single year or every single quarter. Next up is BDO Unibank Incorporated. Stock code is BDO. Ito yung nag-iisa, as I've said earlier, na common stock dito sa list natin. Sector niya is financials, mainly and banking. Dividend payment is 30 centavos. Quarterly din naman sila nagbibigay ng dividends. Ex-date is on September 13. Record date on September 15. And payment date on September 24. However, wait, excited ako masyado. Current market price pala muna. 112 pesos per share yan. However, yung dividend yield niya is hindi talaga ganun kataas. So, 0.267% lang quarterly and then 1% ng mahigit, no, annually. 5-year average dividend yield niya is 0.92% lang and yung 5-year payout ratio is hindi rin ganun kataas. 16.53% lang yan. Next one is isa sa mga favorite nating preferred stocks before, no? And meron din ako malaking part to ng portfolio ko. Dito ako nagsimula, no? Ito yung pinakamarami kong shares dati. Nasa 1,000 shares. So, around 70 plus thousand pesos yung value ng SMC2C ko before. So, San Miguel Corporation. Yung sector nito is holding firms and yung dividend payment niyan per quarter is 1.5 pesos per share. Ex-date niyan is September 16, record date on September 1, and payment date on October 1. Current market price niya medyo mababa na, 76.10 pesos per share. Kasi siguro iba nag-liquidate na rin kasi baka inaakala nila na ma-redeem na rin ito ng San Miguel. Kasi diba yung SMC2G ni-redeem nila earlier this year. Then baka ito na yung next. But yeah, we're not sure yet kasi wala pa namang binibigyan na disclosure yung company. So before nag-trade na yan above almost 80 plus pesos per share. So medyo malaki na yung binaba niyan. Yung dividend yield niya currently is 1.97% quarterly and that's 7.88% annually. So isa to sa may pinakamalaking dividend yield if not yung pinakamataas na nabibigyan ng dividends every single year or every single quarter among all the preferred stocks sa PSE. Next one is galing para sa San Miguel Corporation. Ngayon naman SMC2E. Same thing lang, holding firms din sila. Dividend payment is 1.186 pesos per share. Ex-date on September 16, record date on September 21, payment date on October 1. Then yung current market price ng stock na to is 76 and 65 centavos. Dividend yield niyan is 1.55% quarterly. That's around 6.19% annually. So, di ba, ang laking difference, 7.8 something yung SMC2C. Pero itong si SMC2E is 6.19% lang. Pero not really that bad, 6% is really high para sa mga dividends every year dito sa PSE. Although, syempre, preferred stock nga ito. So, hindi mo masyado asahan yung pagtaas ng value ng capital mo. Next up, another San Miguel Corporation preferred stock, SMC2F. So, same thing lang sector. Yung dividend payment is 1.276 pesos per share. Same thing lang yung ex-date, record date, and payment date. Katulad lang din yan nung previous two preferred stocks ng SMC. Current market price is 78.65 pesos per share. So, mas mataas to compared din sa dalawa kanina. Yung dividend yield niya is 1.62% quarterly and then that's 6.49% annually. Another preferred share galing sa SMC, So, same thing lang yung sector palagi. Yung dividend payment is 1.185 pesos per share. And then same thing, ex-date, record date, and payment date, same lang. Current market price is 76.30 pesos per share. Yung dividend yield nito is 1.55% quarterly. That's 6.21% annually. Next up is SMC2I. Same sector, yung dividend payment is 1.187 din. Ex-date on September 16, record date on September 21, and payment date on October 1. Current market price is 78.20 pesos per share. Dividend yield niyan is 1.52% quarterly and 6.08% annually. SMC2K naman, San Miguel pa rin to, Dividend payment is 8.43 centavos lang. So, ang baba na nung dividend payment nito, Ex-date, same lang record date and payment date. Current market price niya is 76.90 pesos per share. So, hindi rin naman ganun kababa, yung kanyang current market price. And yung issue price ito is 75 pesos per share din. Yung dividend yield niyan is yellow na, So, 1.16% quarterly lang and then 4.63% annually. If you think about it, it's not really that bad. Pero syempre, merong ibang preferred shares na kung mahilig ka lang sa preferred shares, mahilig ka sa passive income, and mahilig ka sa dividends. Like, there are other options for you. Instead of like buying this na medyo mababa pa yung yield na makuha mo. So, merong marami na before taxes above 5%, so nasa 6%, yung SMC2C nga is 7% yung binibigay na dividends, syempre before taxes yun, so i-multiply mo pa yun sa 0.9 kasi 10% yung yung kinakaltas ng taxes kapag nabayaran ka na ng dividends, so kailangan mo pa i-multiply sa 0.9 yung total or itong percentage na to para makuha mo talaga yung net or yung talagang yung final na amount na makukuha mo for that year kapag binayaran ka ng dividends after taxes. Now, last one sa San Miguel, SMC2J. Yung dividend payment nito is 89 centavos per share. Ex-date on September 16, record date on September 21, and payment date on October 1. Current market price is 76 pesos per share. And yung dividend yield nito is yellow din, 1.11% quarterly. That's 4.44% annually. Again, hindi na rin talaga ganun kasama. Pero yun nga, bakit mo ito bibilin kung meron kang ibang options na mas mataas, no? Ibibigay na dividend yield. Pero syempre, ang advantage lang nito kasi bago itong issue, no, ng San Miguel. So, wala pa itong, I think wala pang isang taon. Yung iba, medyo matagal na. Lalo ni SMC2C, 2012 pa yun na issue. So, malaki na yung chance na ma-redeem at 75 pesos per share. So, kumbaga, may konting safety net ka dito sa mga bagong issue na ito na pwede siyang tumagal within the next 5, 7, or 10 years or even more. Alright, last two stocks tayo. Preferred stocks din ito mga ito. Yung una is GTPPA or yung GT Capital Holdings Incorporated. Preferred stock nila ito. Sectors holding firms. Dividend payment is 11 pesos and 57 centavos. Ex-date on September 29. So medyo matagal pa, no? Record date on October 4. Pero matagal din kayo mababayaran. Payment date on October 27. Current market price is 1,018 pesos per share. So, medyo hefty din yung price. Pero yung dividend yield naman is hindi ka na rin talo. Although, yes, yun nga. Again, itong mga 4.55% na ito, tas 1.14% quarterly. Merong ibang options, okay, na mas mataas yung dividend yield. Yes, I'm not sure kung kailan na-issue itong GTPPA. Let me double check real quick. So, na-issue itong GTPPA back in 2016. So, 5 years old na rin naman itong preferred stock na ito. So, yeah, you're better off buying yung ibang mas mataas na nagbibigay ng yield, no? Na preferred stocks instead of buying this one. But yeah, of course, if fan ka naman ng GT Capital, sa tingin mo, mas okay ito. Hindi like, mas safe siya na investment compared sa iba. And yeah, mas trip mo lang talaga yung company ito. Then, yeah, go for it. Next one and last one natin is yung GTPPB. Same thing dun sa GTPPA na issue din itong stock na ito back in 2016. So, 5 years old na yung preferred stock. Same sector. Yung dividend payment is na iba lang na konti. Tumaas ng konti. 12 pesos 0.73 centavos. So, yeah. 12 pesos and 73 centavos. Ex-date, same thing. September 29. Record date, October 4. And payment date on October 27. Yung current market price ito is 1,022 pesos per share. So ito mas tumaas ng konti, no? Yung dividend yield 1.25% quarterly, 4.99% annually. So ano lang to? Na-round up lang kasi itong 1.25. So di ba dapat kung i-multiply mo talaga sa 4, talagang 5% flat. Pero chinek ko yung spreadsheet ko kasi 1.249 something lang quarterly itong GTPPB. So yeah, yung naging result sa annual dividend yield is 4.99% lang talaga. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this episode. Sana may natutunan kayo. Ngayon, silipin natin yung mga sources. So andyan yung PSC Edge, BPI Trade, and yung photo galing sa Unsplash. Lahat ng mga links niyan is matatagpuan sa description sa baba. And now that concludes our episode. If you want to follow me sa mga socials ko, I'm on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Follow nyo lang ako doon at emanpsph. Help me grow the channel na rin by smashing the like button. Sobrang nakakatulong yun sa algorithm ng YouTube. And if bago ka naman, click mo na rin yung subscribe button and ring the notification bell para wala ka ma-miss out sa mga uploads ko every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Another way to support the channel and become a part of the Peso Smart PH community is through the YouTube membership. Click mo lang yung link dyan sa description sa baba to know more about it. Thanks again for watching and listening, everyone. Stay safe. I'll see you on the next episode. Always remember, be Peso Smart.